Hey everybody! In this video, I'm going to explain jump cuts in YouTube. So jump cut is just here. Here I jump cut again. I'm jump cutting again. So why do YouTubers jump cut? Because it's just a lot easier to edit your videos. That's it. When you're doing daily vlogs like I do, I don't have editors. I do the edits myself because it's easier. I do have editors who've helped me out with my actual main courses because I don't like having jump cuts in my main courses. But when I'm doing daily vlogs like this or bi-daily vlogs like this, silly jump cuts like this just make the process much easier. Also, I find that people don't have patience for pauses like this. See, that annoys a lot of people. So instead of having a pause, we just jump cut till we have this here. So that's the whole point of the jump cut. Saves time, allows us to produce a vlog much more quickly. You would be amazed how much more time it takes to produce a vlog without a jump cut. So if you're seeing a jump cut, it's not your computer skipping. I'm just doing a little jump cut. Now, I try to keep my head straight in the jump cuts situation, because if I talk like this and I go like this, then we're going to have this weird head movement that looks kind of strange. All right. That's it for the jump cut video.